This video is about checking for and cleaning mold in your washing machine, your clothes washing machine soap dispenser. You may have never looked in there before, and if you haven't, there's likely a ton of mold. But before we do that, let me talk about the tools you're going to need to clean this up. Spray bottle with I mix 50% bleach and 50% water in here. There's no secret to the percentages. Do what you want, but a good spray bottle with some bleach water and an old toothbrush. And I specifically like a toothbrush that's more straight, and the bristles are fairly straight because you're going to be scrubbing a flat surface, and so it's just inside of a hole, and so it's just easier to reach back in there and scrub than some of the toothbrushes that are wavy and have weird bristles and things like that. So let me show you what we're looking for here. You open up the soap dispenser here, and yes, we're going to clean this. This is, some old fabric softener or whatever, so I'm going to take that out and I'm going to clean that. But look here, mold. And then even worse, let's see if we can see up inside there. Oh, that is all mold. And that's because this is a wet environment pretty much all the time. And that, if you've never looked, is likely lurking inside of your soap dispenser on your washer. Now, one of the things that I've started doing is that when we're done with a load, I open this and I leave it open like this, which allows more air to get to the inside and dry that out. And that's it's caused the mold to grow more slowly. I still get mold, you saw it, but it takes more time for it to get that bad. I clean this about every 3 months. I think that is 6 months of mold, because when I looked at 3 months, there wasn't much in there and I skipped it. But I'm going to show you how to clean it. It's pretty easy. So I just try to target the mold with my spray bottle. And then scrub. I won't take you through the whole process because it's pretty obvious. I just keep doing that and scrubbing in there until all the mold is gone. And then I'll take this. I won't take you through the painful process of watching this either, but I just take this to the sink and scrub all this in the sink until it's nice and clean and put it back together. But a couple things to finish this video is, one, I like to wear a shirt that I don't care about because I'm using bleach. And if I happen to get any bleach from my hands or any overspray or whatever on myself, I don't want it on shorts and shirt that I care a lot about. Number two is that after you clean this with bleach, it depends on your washing machine, but ours, the soap dispenser just has a gravity drip where the soap gravity drips down into the machine. And so the bleach water that you spray in there is going to gravity drip down into the machine. So you can do one of two things. You could just run an empty load of the washer to clean that bleach out of there. Or what I like to do is, that's when I wash my rags. My garage rags, I just throw them in there because I like to use some bleach on them, and run my rags, and that way I don't have to waste the water just running an empty load. If this was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you want to be able to find your way back to this channel easily for other helpful videos, and you can hit the bell for notifications when I upload new videos.